It's 7:10 p.m. on May 30th, 2017, and Radu and I are looking at the new CoCloud instance of Cloudron. I replaced our Sandstorm with Cloudron, and it looks like, it gives people the internet they want. All the apps are self-hosted. We can go to the App Store, and we have blog applications, we have chat applications. It does email, it handles your whole email services and perfectly. It's all automatic on DigitalOcean. It takes care of your DNS security and your users and everything. There's galleries, there's sync apps. I don't know why they have calendar apps and sync apps. But there's calendar apps and there's file synchronization between your machines, between our machines. Notes apps, like Etherpads, same stuff that we had on Sandstorm. But the reason I went to this is because I wanted to run with Mattermost, and Mattermost was not in Sandstorm, and we had a lot of issues with Sandstorm. This seems to be a little bit more ready for prime time. Code hosting, did I mention that? We have GitLab, Fabricator, and all these. And, this is sort of a minimum viable product. Anybody, we can run the stuff on our cooperative cloud.
How much is to be paid for this, to have access to all this?
Right now we're paying $20 a month. All of these apps are open source free apps. Okay, the Cloudron itself is free, but not completely free. It's like really cheap.
Okay.
For a business. If you're running a business, you're supposed to pay, and it's only a few dollars a month. For open source efforts, it's free.
Okay.
I can look that up. Basically, this is a one point install, but somebody really needs, it's much better, if you have somebody looking over your shoulder when you're using this thing. Otherwise, you're going to, there's still going to be some issues that you run into. So support is the main thing that is necessary, and we get good support from the guy who built it. He can only help so many people, and he's not always responsive. If we look at, I think I have a chat open with him. Here. Some of these things are hard to use. Like, this is if you want to install WordPress, it's easy. You can just click install WordPress or Rocket Chat or Tiger or whatever. If you want to install another PHP application besides WordPress or one that's already supported, it gets a little bit more difficult. And sometimes you may not be able to run it on your Cloudron machine. So you probably need to have another machine, and we do. We have a free trust machine, which can run other stuff, whereas Cloudron is pretty much dedicated to run Cloudron, and that's it.
So,
it does email, which is
if I want to learn a little bit more or play with these applications? How do I?
Well, I add your email to this. I go to users and new users. Do you mind having your email on the video?
Share, what do I need? Share screen, chat, what I?
You want to do this off screen? We'll send you your email in the chat.
I don't. Let's see, recording, chat. Share screen, chat. I don't. This.
Can't find the chat?
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know why. Yeah, I found it now. But I found it. I click on it, but I don't know what it is.
Well, you have to type.
Okay. So no.
But it does all the updates. It keeps all your software up to date. It handles the security. It handles your user community. It
Did you got my email?
Yeah, I got your email. And okay, I added you. And that sent you an email, but I can send you a link. I don't know if it just sent another email or not. Should have said don't send one. And in the chat, here's a join link for you. So you can join. And
This.
So I set up a blog, which is blog.dividow.net. And that's the domain I used because it was one I controlled.
Yes,
We would probably want to set this up with CoCloud.co.
Now I got my name is O.
No, I screwed up your name. So I'm sure you can change. Oh, Rado. It looks like you're going to have to change that. Doesn't look like I can change your username. You want me to just delete it and create a new one?
Probably it's a good idea.
And now it wants my password again to make sure it's still me. And I want to make a new user. And I won't send an invitation email this time. Everything won't let me edit. This is not an email. Can't type, sorry. So what do you think? What have you been up to, Radu?
I said I moved. I don't know if you see. It's a different background now.
Ah,
Don't see much from my new home, but probably I can
uh-huh.
a little bit. Here is the attic, the office. Not the attic. It's a loft here. There was a loft there too, but no, we are happy here. I did a lot of work. We put some money and some time. You know, put hardwood floors and tiles and painted, and we are closer to work now. So, and we are happy.
Good. Glad to hear it. Have you looked into diglife.com at all?
No, I said I didn't have much time to do things.
Okay, I just put in a link for another join link for you. I deleted that other thing.
Yes, this display name.
So,
So this is to DiviDAO, da? Yes. DiviDAO.
well, no, it's in the CoCloud DigitalOcean, but it's a DiviDAO.net machine, and it's it's our sandbox. We're running a Mattermost. Okay, and so if you what happened here? Look, okay, I'll share my screen again. Okay, so if you go into the chat app, you'll well, that's Mattermost, and the Mattermost client is here, and I put links in to join it, and this is the CoCloud.
Now to connect to Mattermost, I use the password and email that I just used to log in, or it's a new one?
It does its own user management, so actually I don't know that will work. You see, I'm going to get the team invite link here. Most apps you use the same login, but for Mattermost, you may invite people that aren't a member of your Cloudron. Okay, your Cloudron is your family, whereas your Mattermost is for everybody.
Okay.
Or it can be for everyone.
Okay, but so do I need?
So
do I need to sign in?
just follow this link. I just put it in the chat. Okay, I copied the team invite link. And you probably want to install a Mattermost client. It's a good way of organizing teams. Uh, so,
Cloud,
oops, I
Cloud,
sent you the wrong. I sent you to the wrong place. Oh no.
no?
Yeah, I sent you to the wrong place.
Do I create an account here or no?
No. Let
Close
me.
it. Okay.
I'm going to go to Divi Dow here, and I'm going to get a correct invite link. Don't use that one. That's for digital life. You got to watch what I'm doing here. Get invite link. Copy link. And I'll put that in the chat if I can find the chat. I don't know why it takes so long for the chat to come up. I'm going to stop screen share. Oops, the chat just came up. And I stopped the screen share at the same time. Okay, follow that link. Oh no. Well, yeah, you can follow that link. That link brings you into Divi Dow. I want to bring you into CoCloud. So come into Divi Dow. You can always leave. But once you're in, you're into this whole thing. You're into all these teams. So, you know, I set up teams here for CoCloud, for Digital Life, for Divi Dow, for Free Trust, for Giveth, for Move-In, for Arching, and for Sovereign. These are all the communities that I'm cooperating with. Quiet.
Okay. Now I create the account there. Though I need to save my links or to save save a favorite or something. Put bookmarks for them. Otherwise, I'll never know to go back to them. Okay, you are on mute, Jim, you are on mute.
Oh, geez. Wonder how long I've been on mute.
For a few minutes. I thought
Okay.
you muted.
I went into the, I was in CoCloud, and I added you to the CoCloud. And if you pull down, you'll see join another team, and you can join.
Okay. So I joined, and so what do we do now? I guess your friend requires the mute button.
The dogs are barking. Just say hi.
Hello, hello.
I type hi.
Or I should say, ho, ho.
In Town Square. Town Square is the default channel that it makes whenever you create a team. And I guess off topic, and then I added an identity channel. I'm not sure that's going to be relevant. It's like the Cloudron takes care of identity. It keeps it in an LDAP database. Quiet!
So, how do you want me to help you? You are in mute. You are on mute again.
Yeah, the dogs keep barking, so I put it on mute, and then I forget. There's certainly not much momentum in the community now. The only thing, really, task that you have to do, I'll make you an admin. There's only admins can add tasks, can add apps. And, if there's any apps you want to use or you think would be useful for CoCloud, essentially, what the CoCloud product is simply a bunch of apps for their community or whatever, or helping them set up the apps they want for their community. And for our own CoCloud community apps. Now, this is the DiviDAO system. And so,
so let me see. So which link do I have to? Right now I am in DiviDAO.net, access token, blah blah blah. So really, is this I need to bookmark or how? No, those long links that you put there in the chat, they're gonna disappear soon. So I know it when I start my computer, how I can get here.
Yeah, you're talking about the Mattermost? Or are you talking about
right now the Mattermost somehow disappeared from my screen, but I am in the Town Square. I don't know if
that's Mattermost, Town Square.
That's Okay, Mattermost under different name. Okay.
Yeah, this is that's the Slack it's a replacement for Slack.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not a fan of Slack, but
yeah, well, it's a Slack-like system. It's very Slack-like, but
okay.
you're not running through a third-party system. We're running it ourselves.
Okay.
Okay, so we're not exposing any. We're not. We're running it in the web we want.
Okay, so it runs on the DiviDAO machine, which is
it's a CoCloud machine.
It's
in the CoCloud group, but the name of the machine is DiviDAO.net. Okay, we can put CoCloud apps on it. We have to see if the name services work out well. We have to put in a CNAME to get our apps to point here. And I'm not sure exactly how well that'll work, but we can try it. And in any case, we can run another machine. I mean, the cooperative cloud isn't one machine. Okay, we're building a cooperative cloud. And Divi is one of the collaborators.
Okay.
And so, insofar as we can use their system, that's great. CoCloud is sort of like the container for our cooperative web between right now Digital Life, Archain, Divi, and CoCloud. But it's under the umbrella of CoCloud because the focus of CoCloud is our cooperative cloud. Can you hear me well? Quiet. I better check on the dogs.
You are on mute. Oh, it will go down.
Sorry, we had a little animal escapades here.
Okay, you.
Recording. I don't know. So if you're looking at, there's three choices here on Cloudron. No, I'm not sharing the screen. Okay, you have My Apps, and these are all the apps that I've installed.
Yes.
I don't think anybody else has installed apps, but we want to test it. The whole point of us using this DiviDAO.net system is for all of our communities to be able to test Cloudron. Okay, the only reason I did DiviDAO.net because that was a domain I control. I don't control CoCloud, and there's a problem if we made in order to make this CoCloud.coop, we have to install our website on here, like this blog that I set up here. I don't know. Maybe we don't, but that's something we have to look at. We can try to put CoCloud.coop on the site, but the name was DiviDAO because that's what I had.
Okay. No. Okay. So you want me to go to these applications and do something there?
Well, I guess you have to, see if it meets your needs. Okay, you go to the App Store and maybe you look at the blogs and you say, oh yeah, I want to run WordPress.
But say what?
What?
Right now, the App Store. Ah, I go to the App Store here.
All right, that's, you found it?
Yeah, it's thinking now. Oh, okay, it came. So if I really want, I can. Oh, really?
Why
So
don't why don't you share your screen?
share my screen. Share desktop. Okay.
Yay, we got all those apps. Okay, you see the left-hand column, it lists categories.
Yes.
So you can choose a category of, if you want to do something. I mean,
Oh, so you say that if I choose this, okay. Okay. So,
we already have, if you go back to my apps, email's already there.
okay.
Go to my
My,
app, go back to my apps, and we'll look at email. Okay, and hit webmail there. There's another map. There's another email, webmail application. What?
no, that's my PC. My PC. Anytime I go to a site, it gives me that, and then I do it again, and it goes. I'm not sure exactly why. I might be Mozilla. I think it's Mozilla.
So you log in with your credentials here.
My credentials that.
Yeah, you only have to log in the first time.
So, but which credentials I set up? The
The
last.
Cloudron,
Excuse me.
the Cloudron, which is
Cloud.
Cloudron. That's the
The DVDAO. The
right.
Cloudron.
Yeah, your Radu.
It's Radu or Radu 62S?
It's Radu.
I wouldn't know the password for Radu. Oh, that one that you send me, that you send the Radu and then change it to Radu? That will be the one. Let's see.
Right.
Let's see if this will go.
Aren't you still logged into it? Okay, you're in. Okay, you didn't get in.
I am logged on a different session. Yes, I guess I am.
Okay.
I'm logged in here, I guess.
Right, but you hit webmail, right?
So we are in here, yes.
Okay, so well, you don't have any mail, but you have an email address.
But
it's your email address is redu@dividow.net.
okay, hold on. Let me take some notes. My memory is not that great. S-a terminat, Ancuța? Oh. So, my
Yeah.
so the email is Radu
@dividow.net.
at DIVVYDODAO. Dividao. .net. So I'll send emails here so we can
Yeah, well, you may get notifications
post.
there. Now, if you wanted to get those in Gmail, you can.
Oh, I see. Now my mail came up. Okay. I don't have Gmail. I mean, I have a Gmail which I don't use. It's like I don't have it.
You can get this with, I don't know if you ever use it, Pop or IMAP. Okay, it's a full-blown mail server. It sets it all up for you automatically. It's our own
Okay.
server. Or divvydow.net and CoCloud.coop if we do that. And getting a mail server set up for a community is a hard thing, and this automates it all on DigitalOcean anyway. Even
So,
automates.
so in essence, if we give this suite to somebody who really will stay on DigitalOcean, yes, will reside there. That will be the.
Yeah, we can figure out how to do other environments later, but
Well,
in order,
for
in order
now, how that will be.
Yeah, DigitalOcean is the easiest right now because it handles everything. It handles the DNS, it handles all the mail services, and that stuff's really a pain to set up, and it does it automatically, and it handles
Okay. So
this is your email. I guess you can kill
what
this.
is the send? What is the send button here? Send. Oh, here. Sorry. Oh, sorry. So it works.
And we can try the other mail client too and see what it is. The other one supports PGP encryption. That might be useful. Okay, so
Which is which is email?
don't URL doesn't work. That's one I'm trying to I have problems with. Okay, so if you go back to, so the blog here is divvydow.net. The news is, if you go to the news, that's our mailing list manager.
Mailing list.
Yeah, well, we can send out a newsletter. Okay, and
okay, news in that respect. Okay.
Yeah, I just called it news because it was a short name, because it's news.divvydow.net.
So
It makes the DNS and everything for news.dns.net, and that was short. I could have called it newsletter. Didn't have to be short. Probably would have been clearer. But if you hit list at the top, go to the top and hit lists.
And I have to log in again with.
Yeah, and just say remember me. You'll never have to do it again.
Remember, failed, didn't like, something didn't like. So the username is Radu.
Yeah.
And the password is the one that I just used before, yes?
Right. It was the Cloudron one.
No, it doesn't like it here.
That's bizarre. How could that be?
I don't know. I can try it again, but
Oh, I see why. Okay, I restricted the access to the DivvyDAO management group. Okay, because it has people's email addresses and stuff in it,
Okay.
and it's sort of private. So if you have to be in the DivvyDAO management group
Okay.
in order to access it. Okay, so what I can do is I can go to users and just click the pencil next to your name here, and I can say add you to the Divi management group, and hit save. Okay, now you're in the Divi management group. now try to log in again. Try logging in now.
Yes. Now.
Now you're in, and you can see two. I took the list of people in Slack from Retrust and DivvyDAO, and I made lists.
Oh, okay. So.
Okay, so there's other lists we want to get put in here. People who applied for Project 11 and Scenario. But this is a way we can, communicate with our community, and people can join the list. If you click on one of the lists. I don't see the. Oops, we don't want to see that. Go back. Go back. Wait. Oh boy. I didn't want to show the list here. Where is the? I guess it looks like your only choice is edit. Click edit.
What? You want me to hit edit?
Yeah.
Oh, but it doesn't edit the list. It changes just the headings.
What I'm missing here is there's a sign up page for any of the lists, so people can sign up.
Yeah, but I don't think would be in here the sign up.
I know, but I found a button somewhere, which showed me the sign up page, brought me to the sign up page for the link. So if I go into news and I go into lists,
these are all the same. Huh?
oh, okay. When I click on the list, the subscription form is the top. Is on the top. Unfortunately, you have to click on the list first, which so you click on a list, and then right in the top right, hit subscription form.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so this is the URL that you send people to sign up for the mailing list.
Okay.
Okay, and this one's for DivvyDAO, but we could have one for Cloudron.
So I can close this. No.
Yeah. So that's the, yeah, you can close this whole thing. This is just a mailing list manager and campaign manager. You know, it's a way of, you know, presenting ourselves to the world, but we're running ourselves. We're not running MailChimp or somebody else's service that's, you know, using all our data and mailing lists for their, you know, partners in tracking us.
Okay.
So having our own is important.
Oh, so in here I got from mail train. Okay, mail. But how I get from here to the Cloudron? There is a button to
You
take
know,
you.
the Cloudron is at mydivvydow.net, where the mail train is at news.divvydow.net. So you just have to go back to the other tab. You have it open in the first tab.
No, I thought it would be, to me at least in my mind, if you click here, it takes you some. It's
It takes
a new browser completely, huh?
a new tab,
Browser
yeah.
window. Oh, okay, I guess.
Okay, you stay in Cloudron. That's your control panel.
Okay, so this doesn't go away.
Right, and then you know, you have the mail app, you have the mailing list manager, you have the Mattermost chat, we have a blog, and we have IRC. You're familiar with our IRC.
The chat is Mattermost.
Right, but if you click on that, you know,
The town square, which is the same as Mattermost. Okay.
okay, but that takes you to chat.divvydow. Divvydow.net.
So here I put some other username.
So, huh? Yeah, here you're a different username, right? Say hi, type hi.
Hello?
Type it on the keyboard. Send a message. Say hi. Okay. There's some life there. Okay, and you can add channels here to have discussions that you want to have. This is our channel right now, you and me. If you look up there, there's 4 members right now. Click on the 4 members.
Board members?
4 members. The top line to the right of Town Square. To the right.
To the right.
There we go. Click on there.
Oh, this icon.
Okay, so those are those people. Those are people who joined this channel, this team.
So I can send them messages from here.
Yeah, or you know, you have direct messages over on the side. Okay, if you click on the more under Jim Scarver on the left, you know, you'll get a menu to see the more under Jim Scarver in the blue at the bottom of the blue. More.
Let's see. Okay.
Okay, see, do you see more? Below on the left.
Yes.
Click on that. That tells you who you can talk to. You can click on that.
Isn't the same as the other.
Well, this will give you people that aren't a member of this channel.
Oh, okay. I guess.
Okay, this only gives you the people in that channel. I mean, the icon at the top only gives you the people in the channel.
Okay, you. Okay, so you did quite a bit of work.
Actually, it was pretty simple for the most part. I mean, I did run into a couple of issues.
Yeah, but I mean, go there, click, set, organized, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Find the applications, all that.
And, you know, if you hit the plus sign on the very left there, very left, very left,
This
down
one.
there. Yeah. Oh, you create a new team.
Okay. And then you can,
Okay, well, you can hit back at the top there. You don't want to. You could create a new team, but that's not what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you if you click in the middle of in that the row where the channels are at the top, where it says Radu 62. Click in there. Hold down the menu. Okay. You know, here's where you can do everything. You can invite people and stuff like that. Okay, you can also. I don't understand why you don't see other teams.
I mean, do I need to be part of them, or do I need to get an invite, or
Hit the plus again there. I don't get it.
join more identity?
Hit the plus on the left again. I can't
This
believe
one?
it. Yeah, I can't believe it. Oh, create new team. Why does it say that?
I don't know.
It's like there are no other teams. Maybe,
I mean, is this team? I guess there are these two teams.
right, but I have a lot more teams.
Right, you are more prolific.
That's very interesting. I don't know why you don't have access to more teams. That's kind of interesting that you don't even see the team if you're not invited to it, but I think other people are seeing the teams, and I don't understand why you're not.
Okay, no problem. So I'll play with this a bit and try to.
Okay, yeah, go back to Cloudron just for a second, and let's go clear and we'll click the App Store again. Okay, these are the tools you want, tools that you can use.
Yeah, but if I choose one of them, that means I have to install it. Yes, on the.
It's going to install on the on our server.
Yes, that's it. So if
So,
I, but there is a way to see what it's doing without installing it.
well, that's one of the problems here. You know, if you don't know, you know, the only way to really do it is to do a Google search on it.
Oh, look, learn from other places, and then.
Yeah, EtherCalc is a web spreadsheet. Now, I don't know if you can copy and paste that into your browser. But you can click install.
I mean,
You can install it. Okay, and now you have to decide what you're going to call it. What's this? What's this spreadsheet for that you're making? Making a spreadsheet of something. Can you think of anything you want to make a spreadsheet?
So this is one spreadsheet, or it's an application that you can use to create spreadsheets?
I haven't tried it, so I'm not sure. We'll find out. Call it call it just call it Calc. That's fine. Then you can install calc.dividow.net. Okay, so it says installing. No. Starting. Now it's running.
And it runs in the background all the time?
Well, yeah, it's a web service. Okay, it's calc.dividow.net. Okay, now click on the pencil, see if there's anything.
Here you can install it, restore, not sure what that means.
Well, if you break something, you can restore it from a backup.
So the password is the same password I use.
Okay, so it says this app has its own user management. So that means it doesn't use the logins from CoCloud. I don't know. So just cancel this. There's nothing we want, nothing here to change. And hit calc.
Yeah, you see the.
And you know, it takes care of the certificate, the secure certificates and everything for you. So we have, you know, Calc is a new host on the internet, but it has its own certificates for calc.dividow.net. Okay, so this looks like it's just one spreadsheet.
Yeah, so it creates a spreadsheet, but then
And it looks like it has a lot of features. It does graphing. And you're hosting it yourself, you know, it's and you can share it. Now let's see what happens when I go there.
I don't expect you to come into this spreadsheet. It's not saved, not named. How would you get into my spreadsheet?
Well, you installed it on.
No, you can go. You'll create a new spreadsheet.
You installed it on a server that I have an account on.
Yes, yes. I mean, you can open a new spreadsheet.
Well, let's see what happens when I click calc.
It should give you a new spreadsheet or the option to.
You did. It says either calc, and it says I can create a spreadsheet.
But you know what it edit format say. Copy, paste. The save and the open functions I don't see. Format sort. It gives you all kind of stuff, but did I name it? No, I didn't name it. Now I want to save it. What do I need to do to save it?
Just a second. I'm just seeing what happens when I'm not.
Format sort.
It looks like anybody can come in here and create a spreadsheet. They don't have to have a login at all. That may not be a good thing. Hopefully there's an option we can change.
What do you mean? Anybody in Cloudron, or I'm not sure.
Either calc, anybody who knows the address, calc.dividow.net, can come in here.
So you want that you did it that way.
Yeah, so now I'm going to create a spreadsheet. Okay, so now we have to look at this and see how what we that's a good question.
Yes, but indeed, how I save it? I don't see any. Do you see any way to say I am done here?
No, I don't.
We save it now, sort graph form.
Does everything, but
I can close it and create.
now you lost it, right?
Yes, I know, but I thought it will prompt me for a name or something. It's not, this is not really, if you can lose it, that, okay, maybe that's I'm not too fan of the web. You close the window, everything is gone.
Yeah. Now we had EtherCalc on.
I found. Let's see.
You found it.
I found it. It's hidden in here. You see?
Interesting.
I will go feed the ducks.
Uh-oh. It's duck feeding time. Well, actually,
It's pissed.
yeah. Give me a few more minutes. We're done, almost done here.
I got 2 minutes.
Okay.
Minute and a half.
That's an export. That's it. You can just export, huh? Where's the import?
What?
You can export, but I don't see the import.
You can drop it at the beginning. Export. You say you can drop something in there.
Oh. Not terribly convenient, but drop. What does it mean, rename sheets after upload? I don't know about that. So this may, or may not be useful. If you,
Oh, it tells you can choose an export format.
choose CSV, I guess, or Excel. Okay, you can import either one. Excel is a little richer.
Oh, and
Okay, and you store it on your machine, and then you just can start again with that file. Whoops. So you don't need EtherCalc, you have Excel.
Oh, that's a copy that I'm not. It's pirate copy. You see
Okay,
how
well, normally you would just save the file on your disk, and then you would drop that file in to edit it.
Yes, but if we are together, I want to go now back to. I mean, if they say it's saved on the web, so I want to open it now, not from my machine, because
To So, you know, you have to put it from your machine now if you want it.
Yes, but that's not the purpose.
Right, it's not, it doesn't get,
It-
the
I mean,
ether on Sandstorm was better because it created a separate uh, app for every spreadsheet. So you didn't have, you know, it saved it.
so that's it. I want to open it now,
You have to paste the file in here.
but no, not from my machine. I want to open it from the web. I want to
So
save it to the web, so it's
apparently,
available to you, to everybody.
yeah, it's
You
not
know,
very
if it goes to my machine, what's the deal? How we can work together?
right. That's no good.
Okay, so
So
we
I guess
uninstall
I
this.
guess we should put something in a note in Mattermost that the EtherCalc is useless, so we can uninstall it. I go back to the App Store and choose something else. I guess, you know, we can let you go now.
Now, okay, now I have to take a break.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll finish up here and um, like I said, you know, just see if there's anything that's usable.
Yeah, I'll take a look and we'll see what.
Yeah, if you could find something, if you can share in the Mattermost, you know, what you learn.
Mattermost means in chat.
Right. Which you already had open, probably, but now you have
Yes,
open.
I have.
Okay, and it looks like you have one thing waiting in CoCloud. Look at that one up there.
Excuse me?
So you have a one up there. Oh,
Yeah.
oh no.
Oh,
It Mattermost.
the,
In Matter. Team Square, Town Square.
yeah, this one, yeah.
Okay, but look up there. Okay, you're in the Dibby Dow. Okay, but up in CoCloud you have a one, which means you have something waiting. See that? One. Okay, so you have a one in off topic. I don't know why you have one in off topic.
My name shows up in here.
Right.
Nobody knows reference to it, so I guess that's what really was trying to say.
It's automatically added you due to that, and apparently gave you a notification to that fact. Now, if you now, where are your notifications? Are they in your email? Go back to your email and see if you have any notifications in your email. I don't think you do.
Oh, in here.
Okay, but yeah, I get notifications in there.
Maybe something needs to be set up.
No, the notifications probably went to the email address you signed up with. So if you check your email, I don't know if you wanted this on the recording. I'll stop the recording now, I guess.
No, I didn't got I got the email I sent here.